Earlier this year, I showed you guys how to change your YouTube URL as well as gain your first 100 engaged subscribers. But did you know that you can write a specific URL code that creates a subscribe link to your exact YouTube channel? It's actually really easy, and I want to show you exactly how to do it, as it can really help viewers become subscribers on your page. Speaking of subscribers, make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell down below to be updated for each and every future video. But without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so this is my current YouTube channel. You can see up above I have, https://www.youtube.com/c/kristensclassroom. Now, you don't have to know a lot about coding to make this subscribe link. All you have to do, and I will use my channel as an example, and the code I write I will put down below in the description box. So let's get into it. Here's my URL. This link obviously brings you here. I want the code that brings my viewers here, as well as asks them in a little window if they would like to become a subscriber. So I take my existing URL, I put it in a separate link. Here is the same URL you just saw, but at the end we now have $!sub_confirmation=1. This right here is what I will put down below in the description box. It is exactly what you need to be your subscription code. Now I'm copying this link. If I were to open a new browser and paste this, it would not work because you cannot subscribe to your own channel. So I recommend you either log out or log into a new browser in incognito mode, which I will do right here. Open it up. You can control paste here, click enter. And now, instead of opening up the regular page, when this loads, it will open my YouTube channel. But now you see this confirm channel subscription right here. Oh. There we go. Sorry, I forgot I have something playing. And there's the box right there. It says confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Kristen's Classroom? And your viewers can either click subscribe or cancel. This is a great option and a link to have if you are trying to bring cross traffic from platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or whatever you're using, because this link will ask your viewers if they would like to subscribe. So if you have a bigger following on Instagram or Facebook and you want to bring those viewers to your channel and make them subscribers, this is a wonderful link because it will show them not just your channel, but of course encourage them, kind of like how shopping sites and Amazon will have these little windows pop up with things that they want you to see. That code, one more time, is your normal YouTube URL. Also, did you know if you have 100 YouTube subscribers, you can change this existing URL to anything you want? I will have links to all of my tech tip videos down below in the description box, but just so you know, if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can change this URL right here. But of course, it's your regular URL, $!sub_confirmation=1. And again, one last reminder, you cannot subscribe to your own channel. If I were to click enter right now, I would not get that window asking me to subscribe because, again, I own the channel and you cannot subscribe. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's asking me this. It didn't work last time I did it. That is hilarious. Can I subscribe to my own channel? Let's find out. You may not subscribe to yourself. Well, at least we figured that out together. Sorry, something went wrong. You can't subscribe to yourself. Anyway, you guys, if there are any other kind of tech videos or advice or tutorials, walkthroughs you guys want to see, please let me know down below in the description box. I make these just to help you guys and to show you what I am learning. So if you are trying to grow a channel the same way that I am, just organically with good subscribers and content, let me know what things would help you down below in the comment section. Of course, click that subscribe button here to be updated once again on each and every future video. Happy creating, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.